So you've had problems with vertigo and you're wondering if that trauma you had can be causing it or triggering it. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've helped thousands of people around the world to overcome their challenges with vertigo by finding the cause of it. Now, for many people, vertigo is really debilitating and it can take you out of life and prevent you from working. We've been blessed to be able to help people to get back into life after they've had these problems by the unique method we wind up looking at how vertigo is triggered. Now, vertigo can be triggered by a number of different things, but today I want to talk about if a potential trauma in your past could have caused it, like a fall or a motor vehicle crash, sports injury, being dropped on your head as a kid. All of these can, and what can happen is that a component of your spine, particularly in your neck, way up here at the top, doesn't wind up moving right, and there can be damage to some of the ligaments. If this area is not stabilized and corrected, then you're going to reoccurringly have these episodes, and it can happen every month, or it can happen every 5 years. Making sure that this area of your body is assessed properly, and a corrective chiropractor is the one to do it, is essential to making sure that you can identify the cause of the problem and engage in the right program of care to help you get back to an amazing, fulfilling life. If you're wondering if this is what's going on for you, go ahead and write below. Be happy to help. You may even want to check out our discovery call. That's where we hop online and talk one-on-one to try to figure out what's going on and what your next best step would wind up being. If you know someone who's been suffering from vertigo, be sure to pass this along to them. And lastly, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.